Hey everybody, welcome back to the Makerspace. Today I'll be showing you how to do the basics on our laser engraver machine. First things first, please make sure that you have your design ready to go, either download it onto a flash stick as an Illustrator file or email it to yourself. You want to make sure that your artboard is the same size as your material that you are going to be engraving on. Today I will be engraving this fun design onto this little wooden square. My design is about 3 inches this way and 3 inches that way, so my artboard replicates that. We will start by setting up the machine by turning it on by the switch on the side and plugging in the fan into the outlet. Then you are going to open up the lid of the machine and place your material facing up in the very top left of the bed. Then you will press the laser focus button, which is labeled number 5. This will move the arm towards you. Then you can lower the focus arm feeler gauge, which is this little metal piece right here. And then you can use the up and down arrows on the panel to adjust the height of the bed. You want the feeler gauge to be just touching your material. So as you can see here, it is touching. I give it a quick little flick test. It seems to be a little too close, so I lower the bed just a little bit so that when I flick it, it catches. Place the feeler gauge back to its stored position and press the home button labeled number 0, and the arm will return to the home position. You can then go ahead and close the lid of the machine. We are now going to work on sending the project over to the machine, so go to File, Print. Then you are going to select Setup in this bottom left corner, and then select More Settings. This screen will pop up and you will start by adjusting the size over here to the size of your materials and artboard. And then up here you can select raster, which is the engraving, vector is for cutting, and combined is for designs that have both engraving and cutting. Today we are just going to be engraving. You can then look up your material settings on this document and enter the appropriate speed, power, and frequency for your object material. Mine is softwood, and we have settings for engraving and vector. Mine is just engraving, so 70 speed and 70 power. You can then adjust the speed and power in this section over here, so 70 speed and 70 power. Once you have selected the job type and adjusted the sizing of the material and the speed and power, you can hit OK. Then you can hit Print and then hit Done. This locks in all of your settings. From here, you're going to go back to File, Print, and then you're going to hit Print, and this will send it over to the machine. Under the machine is this fan. Flick the switch towards the wall to turn it on. Once your design is sent over, you can hit the green button and watch it start engraving. Once your project is done engraving, you can open up the lid and take your material out. It should not be hot to the touch. And there you go. You can then close the lid of the machine once again, and you can unplug the fan and turn off the switch. And turn off the fan that is under the machine as well. And once that's done, you can go ahead and close out your design, log out of your email, take out your flash stick. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please seek out a Makerspace employee.